fun, man. They're full of fun. They're really full of fun. That's so amazing. I love it. I love it. Yes. 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 Amazing. Love it. Yes. Yes. Awesome. We love it. We love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. This passion fruit. Can I get another strips? Like, can I get one more? Yeah. This passion fruit have me so hooked. Oh my gosh, passion smoothie. Amazing. And when I tell you, say, I have not have no food illness, no sick stomach and them something. No, I have not have none of this. Hey, let me tell you something. You see all the passion fruit, yeah? Yeah, I will go ends out just so at night time. Okay, I run go to bed so early. So we come out and so go eat late snack. And a food we eat. And then we don't digest food for an hour and go to bed by 11 o'clock. That is it. That's how we do it out just so at night time.